So for the second video, the topic that we have chosen is GPS or Global Positioning System. GPS are widely used in industries and defense systems all across the world. So what is GPS? The Global Positioning System or GPS is a network of satellites and receiving devices used to determine the location of something on Earth. GPS receivers provide location in latitude, longitude, and altitude. They also provide the accurate time. GPS includes 24 satellites that circle Earth in precise orbits. Each satellite makes a full orbit of Earth every 12 hours. These satellites are constantly sending out radio signals. So, what is the working principle of GPS? GPS satellites work in the radio wave region of the electromagnetic spectrum, particularly at frequencies L1 equals to 1575.42 MHz and L2 equals to 1227.60 MHz. These satellites have a rubidium or cesium atomic clocks on board, which generate the radio frequency and information codes of fundamental frequency 10.23 MHz. So, what information is sent by satellites? Each satellite actually transmits a unique radio signal and orbital parameters that allow GPS devices to decode and compute the precise location of the satellite. A GPS signal contains three different types of information. Pseudo-random code, which is an ID code that identifies which satellite is transmitting information. You can see which satellite you are getting signals from on your page that is of the satellite. Ephemeris data is needed to determine a satellite's position and gives important information about the health of a satellite, current date, and time. Almanac data tells the GPS receiver where each GPS satellite should be at any time throughout the day and shows the orbital information for that satellite and every other satellite in the system. So, how is this location calculated using GPS? Using the time and date, that is the ephemeris data, the GPS receiver calculates the distance to each satellite by the amount of time it takes to receive a transmitted signal. This, along with trilateration, gives accurate location of the GPS receiver. Trilateration occurs with the help of three satellites, which give three distinct circles and therefore enable us to pinpoint the exact location of the GPS receiver. With the help of the fourth satellite, we can get the 3D location also, that includes the altitude. So now, let us see an experiment which demonstrates the working of a GPS receiver. So this here is the GPS receiver and this here is the antenna which establishes its connection with the GPS satellite. And this transfers information from the satellite to the GPS receiver, which then transfers it to the Arduino, which then transfers it to our laptop. This is the script that is written to get the exact location and time and date of Delhi. So when we run this code, we get this output which gives us the exact running location in longitudes and latitudes and the date at GMT and the time at GMT. So as we can see, we have 28.54 latitude, longitude 77.18 and the date is also there. So this is the entire setup to calculate the location and time and date by establishing connection through the GPS satellites. Coming to the industrial applications of GPS. GPS is used in precision farming, open pit mining, oil exploration, airport and harbor approaches, animal migration and population studies, vehicle tracking, constructions in tunnels, golf courses, roads, emergency services, the closest ambulance or fire truck, atmospheric studies such as ozone layer, air quality, etc. Coming to the GPS applications in defense. In defense, GPS is used to aid land, sea, and airborne navigation, such as in Navy or Air Forces, in geographical exploration, cartography and geodesy, surveying, vehicle location systems, search and rescue operations, and aerial refueling. Thank you.